Hello, you lovely people. This is me, Chef Varun, and welcome to Nutrela Healthy Plate with Varun. Well, Diwali festivities are around the corner, and I am getting a lot of texts from people who are concerned that their health actually goes for a toss. So today, I choose to make a healthy recipe, and the recipe are soya mini samosas using Nutrela soya. Let's begin. This recipe is a perfect combination of protein and fiber diet. For your daily protein consumption, I am using Nutrela Soya Granules, which has 52% protein. Simply boil or soak them in boiling water for around 3 to 5 minutes and then turn off the heat. Squeeze out the excess water and they are ready to use. Now quickly let's move on to making the mixture. Let's begin with Nutrela refined sunflower oil in a wok or a kadai. Roughly sliced onions, once the onions are lightly sautéed, I'm going to add in crushed ginger, garlic and green chilies. Let's cook this till the raw smell goes away. Let's add in the soaked soya granules. You know, these soya granules contain anti-inflammatory properties and are a good source of iron and calcium. Time to add in chopped dill leaves for that wonderful herby taste, and along with this, green peas. Let's mix this well. Time to add in some spices. For the flavorful touch in my recipes, I always rely on Patanjali spices. Let's begin with red chili powder, followed by turmeric powder, touch of garam masala, salt and lemon juice. Let's mix this on high flame and allow this to cook precisely for a minute. And with this, off goes the flame. Let's transfer this mixture on a plate and allow this to cool down completely. Our stuffing mixture has cooled perfectly well, and with me, I also have samosa patti which is ready. Let's peel these and begin shaping the samosas. For this, let's place the samosa patti on a plain surface, add the filling and start shaping the samosas. Let's apply a mixture of refined flour and water and fold these edges and sides. Our samosa is shaped and ready. Similarly, let's make some more. Our samosas are shaped and ready. Let's keep these under a damp cloth till they're ready to fry. The next step is frying. For frying, I'm using Nutrela refined sunflower oil, which is a rich source of vitamins A and D. It also helps to maintain normal blood cholesterol levels. Our mini soya samosas are fried and ready. Let's transfer these on an absorbent tissue paper. With this, ladies and gentlemen, our Nutrela soya mini samosas are done and ready. If you want to make your special occasions extra special, make this for your family and friends. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to get Curried, and for a nutritious way of life, do not forget to follow the Instagram handle mynutrela and wait for some healthy, nutritious plates. This is me, Varun, signing off, and before I go, a very happy Diwali to all of you across the globe. Bye for now.